In today's video, we'll explore the incredible power of motivation through a captivating story that proves you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Motivation is the fuel that drives us toward our goals, helping us push through challenges and setbacks. Get ready to be inspired as we uncover key strategies for overcoming obstacles and unlocking your true potential. By the end, you'll feel empowered to chase your dreams with renewed vigor. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial for success, as they provide direction and purpose in our lives. When you define specific goals, you create a roadmap to follow, making it easier to stay focused. I encourage you to write down your goals for clarity and motivation. Think of successful individuals like Oprah Winfrey and Elon Musk, who attribute their achievements to setting clear, actionable goals. Let their stories inspire you to define your own path. A positive mindset is a game changer in achieving success, as it fosters resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges. Embracing a growth mindset allows you to view setbacks as opportunities for learning. I encourage you to challenge any negative thoughts or beliefs that hold you back. Techniques like daily affirmations, gratitude journaling, and visualization can help cultivate a positive outlook. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality, so let's make it a powerful one. Taking consistent action is vital for turning your goals into reality. A step-by-step plan helps break down your objectives into manageable tasks, making the journey less overwhelming. I encourage you to start small. Every little step builds momentum. Consider the stories of individuals like J.K. Rowling and Steve Jobs, who took bold actions despite their fears. Their journeys remind us that progress often begins with a single step. So let's get moving toward your dreams. On the journey to success, common challenges like self-doubt, fear of failure, and external setbacks often arise. The key to overcoming these obstacles lies in resilience and adaptability. Embrace setbacks as learning experiences rather than roadblocks. Take inspiration from individuals like Thomas Edison and Malala Yousafzai, who triumphed over adversity through sheer determination. Their stories remind us that every challenge can be transformed into an opportunity for growth. Keep pushing forward. You've got this. Keep pushing. Recognizing and celebrating achievements, no matter how small, is essential for maintaining motivation on your journey. Celebrating small wins boosts your confidence and reinforces positive habits. I encourage you to reflect on your progress regularly. This practice can illuminate how far you've come. Successful individuals like Richard Branson and Michelle Obama often celebrate their milestones with gratitude and acknowledgement. So, take a moment to celebrate your victories. They're stepping stones to even greater success. In summary, we've explored the importance of setting clear goals, cultivating a positive mindset, taking consistent action, and embracing resilience. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in achieving your dreams. I encourage you to take actionable steps today, no matter how small. If you found this video inspiring, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Together, let's continue this journey toward success and empowerment.